In this video, we're going to be talking about target number 2. I can determine a multiplier for a percentage, whether it's an increasing or a decreasing amount. The whole idea behind this target is being able to move from 100%. 100% of an item is its full price, is its full amount, it's its full quantity. So if I have 100% of something, that is my number that I always have. Remember that 100% as a decimal is I would move that back 2 places, and when I do that, that gives me the whole number of 1. 100% equals the number 1. Those are synonymous for each other. So I have one full item, I've got to have the number 1 in it. Now what's cool about this is if I do a 3% increase, that's like having 100% plus an extra 3%, whether it's a tax or something added on, an increase of some kind. I'm now at 103% of that item, or amount, or quantity. Then I just move the decimal back 2 places. The multiplier that I would use in the equation is 1.03. You can do this process for moving up and down from 100% each time. So the correct answer to this would be 1.03. Next one is a 25% decrease. So we're going down. So we start at 100%, we minus off 25%, and I would be sitting at 75%. Well, 75% as a decimal is 0.75. 0.75 is my multiplier for a 25% decrease. Next is a 13% decrease. If you want to do these on your calculator, obviously you can just go 100 minus 13, it's 87. Move the decimal back 2 places, it's 0.87, and that's the number we're looking for here. And then a 2.08% increase. Ooh, so on that one, I would type in 100 plus 2.08, and I'm at 102.8. Then I need to move that decimal back two spots. So if you use your calculator, you may not miss this 0. Some people miss this 0 because that 0 is going to show up. It's going to be 1.0208 is the correct answer for the multiplier here. These multipliers are important because these are the numbers we're going to be using when we author exponential equations, and those are always based on what you're multiplying it by. So these numbers will be numbers you need to know. You're basically just moving up and down from 100%.